मैं डॉक्टर उदय शंकर दास, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी, आर.एस. कॉलेज तारापुर। इसके पहले वाले लेक्चर में मैंने फैटी एसिड्स के स्ट्रक्चर एंड क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में जानकारी दिया था, जिसमें मैं फैटी एसिड, व्हाट इज फैटी एसिड एंड नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स में सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड के बारे में बतलाया गया था। मैं आज आप लोगों को अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स के बारे में बतलाऊंगा एंड रेस्ट फैटी एसिड। Unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds. This unsaturated fatty acid is of two types: monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acid, in short called MUFA, M-U-F-A. This monounsaturated fatty acid contain one double bond. Example is oleic acid, palmitoleic acid, vaccinic acid, etc. Now, polyunsaturated fatty acids, in short it is called PUFA, P-U-F-A-S, PUFA. This polyunsaturated fatty acid contain two or more double bonds. Means जो polyunsaturated fatty acid है उसमें दो या दो से अधिक डबल बॉन्ड पाए जाते हैं। These are divided as dienoic acid, trienoic acid, tetraenoic acid. Dienoic acid contains two double bonds. Example, linoleic acid. Trienoic acid is a polyunsaturated fatty acid which contains three double bonds. An example, linolenic acid. See, this is linoleic acid and this is linolenic acid, L-E-N-I-C, lenic acid. Now, tetraenoic acid. This tetraenoic acid contains four double bonds. Example, arachidonic acid. Now, the unsaturated fatty acids are named with the suffix enoic, E-N-O-I-C. जो भी अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड होगा उसके नाम के अंत में इनोइक लगा हुआ रहता है, E-N-O-I-C, इनोइक. This unsaturated fatty acid may occur in two distinct structural configuration, cis and trans isomers. Cis isomers, the hydrogen atoms attached to carbon double bond are on the same side, and in trans isomers the hydrogen atoms attached to the carbon double bonds are on different side. This is the structure of cis form, this is the structure of trans form. Here we can see in carbon double bond hydrogen atom is on the same side, and here in trans form hydrogen atom is on different side. Okay, now unsaturated fatty acid, name of unsaturated fatty acid, common name, systematic name and their structure. This is oleic acid, common name, and its systematic name is cis delta 9 octadecanoic acid, and this is structure. Octadecanoic acid means this oleic acid is made up of 18 carbon atoms and it has one double bond at carbon number 9. This is carbon number 9, one double bond. Okay. Palmitoleic acid, common name, systematic name, cis delta 9 hexadecanoic acid, and this is the structure of this palmitoleic acid. Hexadecanoic acid means palmitoleic acid is made up of 16 carbon atoms and it has one double bond at carbon atom number 9. Okay. Now, linoleic acid its systematic name is all cis delta 9 delta 12 octa deca dienoic acid, and this is the structure of linoleic acid. So see, octa deca dienoic, octa deca means linoleic acid is made up of 18 carbon atoms, and dienoic means it has two double bonds at carbon atom number 9 and carbon atom number 12. And this is the carbon atom 9 and this is the carbon atom number 12. Linolenic acid, see, its systematic name is all cis delta 9 12 15 octa deca trienoic acid, and this is the structure of linolenic acid. Here you can see octa deca means linolenic acid is also made up of 18 carbon atoms, and trienoic means it has three double bonds at carbon atom 9 12 and 15, or carbon atom 9 12 and 15. Arachidonic acid, and its systematic name is cis delta 5 8 11 14 ecosa tetraenoic acid, and this is the structure. Here ecosa means, in Greek words ecosa means 20. So this arachidonic acid is 20 carbon atoms, and tetraenoic means it has 4 double bonds at carbon atom number 5, 8, 11 and 14. Carbon atom number 5 double bond, carbon atom number 8, carbon atom number 11, and this is carbon atom number 14. This is all this is systematic name of and structure of unsaturated fatty acid. Here oleic acid and palmitoleic acid, monounsaturated fatty acid, MUFA, and these are polyunsaturated fatty acid, PUFA. Now next, hydroxy fatty acids. Fatty acids containing hydroxy groups are called hydroxy fatty acid. Example, ricinoleic acid, cerebronic acid. These are hydroxy fatty acid. This is the structure of ricinoleic acid. So here you can see this is hydroxyl group at carbon atom number 12. This is the structure of cerebronic acid. Here this is the hydroxyl group at carbon atom number 2. Now coming to eicosanoids. So eicosanoids, as I told that eicosa in Greek means 20. Greek words means 20. So these eicosanoids are 20 carbon unsaturated fatty acids derived from arachidonic acids. They comprise 3 major categories: prostaglandins, in short called PG, thromboxanes, in short TX, leukotrienes, LT. Now coming to prostaglandins. So prostaglandins are 20 carbon unsaturated fatty acids having a central cyclopentane ring with 2 chains, a carboxyl chain of 7 carbons and a methyl chain of 8 carbons. Okay, so this is the structure of prostaglandin A1. So this is cyclopentane ring, and this is the carboxyl chain of 7 carbon atoms, and this is the methyl chain of 8 carbon atoms. So methyl chain, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Prostaglandins are categorized into 6 major series like PGA, PGB, PGC, PGE, PGF alpha and PGF beta. These 6 categories of prostaglandin differ from each other in chemical nature of the cyclopentan, this cyclopentan ring. Okay, this is prostaglandins. Now, thromboxanes. Thromboxanes are found in blood platelets, leukocytes, spleen. They are structurally similar to prostaglandins except that the cyclopentan ring is interrupted by an oxygen placed between C11 and C12. This is the structure of thromboxane TXA2, and this is the cyclopentan ring, and here you can see oxygen atom between carbon atom 11 and 12, and thromboxane A TXA also possesses an oxygen at the center of the ring linked to carbon 9 and C11. So this is the TXA thromboxane, and here this is central carbon atom attached to carbon atom 9 and carbon atom 11. Okay. So this thromboxane brings about aggregation of platelets. Leukotrienes. Leukotrienes, discovered first in leukocyte, hence its name leukotrienes, are derived from 20-carbon arachidonic acid. Leukotrienes do not contain a ring structure. Do not contain a ring structure. Different series of leukotrienes are found. They are LTA4, LTB4, LTC4, LTD4 and LTA4. This is the structure of leukotriene A4 at one end COH, at another end CS3, and there is no cyclopentan ring. Now, cyclic fatty acids. Cyclic fatty acid. Fatty acids with cyclic structure like 5-carbon or 3-carbon rings are rare occurrence. Example: cholmugric acid, hydrocarpic acid, lactobacillic acid, sterculic acid are examples of cyclic fatty acids. They contain either 5-carbon ring or 3-carbon ring. So this is the structure of hydrocarpic acid. So see, this is the 5-carbon ring in hydrocarpic acid, and this is the structure of lactobacillic acid. Here you can see this is the 3-carbon rings. So these are called cyclic fatty acids. Now, essential fatty acids. As the name suggests, essential fatty acids are fatty acids that cannot be synthesized within the human body and therefore must be obtained from the diet. मतलब essential fatty acids वह है जो मनुष्य अपने शरीर के अंदर उसका निर्माण नहीं कर सकता है, और इसकी आपूर्ति वह भोजन में उस तरह का भोजन लेकर के करता है जिसमें यह फैटी एसिड्स पाया जाता है. कौन कौन सा है? लिनोलिक एसिड and linolenic acids are the 2 essential fatty acids. Okay. This linolic acid and linolenic acids comes under polyunsaturated fatty acid PUFA, and these 2 essential fatty acids must be included in the diet for maintaining normal health. This is all about structure and classification of fatty acids. Thank you.